got a story to tell. Listen, yeah, I got a phone call late night, it woke me up. I'm kinda mad cause in my dream I'm about to catch a nut. So then I replied, who the fuck is this? Paging me at 546 on some biggie shit. It was my nigga Tony from the block telling me niggas that had got shot as if my number was 911. I'm sorry, bruh, I really don't give a fuck, and if you tell me again, then we'll be back to square one. He said, sorry, done, I don't mean to break your sleep, but I'd rather let you hear this shit from me, cause you got my attention. What's poppin' in the streets? One of them niggas that got murked was on our team. Who? Remember that tall cat with the braids to the back? Always rock that fitted cap with the shoes to match. Let me think. Yeah, I remember the cat. Yeah, that's that nigga got his head pushed back. But let me get this straight. Matter of fact, cut to the chase. What you want, retaliate. That's why the fuck you calling me, right? Something like that. I say no more. Hung up the phone, closed the door. Put the combo to the safe, start pulling 9-9s and 4-4s to get straight. Told me my nigga crazy Jim told him to meet me outside in about 10. Bring a couple of your men, we about to get it in. He like, alright, my nigga, it's whatever you need. I got Glock 9, AKs, infrared beams. I'm like, bet. Let me get a couple of 9s, about 3 AK. You can bring the Glocks. Make sure you be here about 10. Cause around 11:30, I'ma creep off in his house and catch him while he's skeeting all off in this bitch early. You heard me? But what if he got niggas in the front? That's a good question. Fuck it, then we blow that bitch up. I don't give a fuck, you only live life once. I'ma live to see tomorrow, I don't know about them. Just make sure you be here at 10, 1.